Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains a robotic pool vacuum that will amaze you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
Number 5. The Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, also known as the Seagull SE, is a new and innovative addition to the pool cleaning market. Made from durable new 2023 material and featuring a sleek gray color, this robotic cleaner stands out not only for its design but also for its performance. Measuring at 24.8 inches in length, 18.9 inches in width, and 14.96 inches in height, the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is compact yet mighty. Its size allows it to navigate through pool surfaces with ease, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance. One of the standout features of this product is its cordless design, which adds convenience and flexibility to the pool cleaning process. Users no longer have to deal with tangled cords or limited reach, making maintenance a breeze. Equipped with advanced technology, the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner boasts efficient cleaning capabilities that leave pools sparkling clean. Its intelligent navigation system allows it to maneuver around obstacles.
Number 4. The Co-Steering Pool. Vacuum Robot by Co-Steering offers an efficient and convenient solution for keeping your pool clean. With product dimensions of 13 into 13 into 8.6 inches and an item weight of 10.36 pounds, this robotic cleaner is designed to navigate your pool effectively. Manufactured by Co-Steering, this vacuum robot comes with the ASIN B0 CQP1 HERT and item model number planet. It runs on one lithium-ion battery required, which is included with the product. The customer reviews for this product reflect its quality with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars based on 28 ratings. Ranked as #10, 330 in patio lawn and garden, and #28 in robotic pool cleaners. The Co-Steering Pool Vacuum Robot combines performance and durability to ensure a clean pool with minimal effort on your part. Its user-friendly design and reliable operation make it a top choice for pool owners looking to simplify their maintenance routine.
The 2024 new Seodo Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum offers an innovative solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. With a sleek design in black and gray, this product by Seodo, the new crab model, combines style with functionality. Number 3. Measuring at 20.1 inches in length, 18.1 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this robotic pool vacuum is compact yet powerful. Its AC/DC power source ensures reliable performance, allowing you to efficiently clean your pool without the hassle of cords. The Seodo Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum stands out for its ease of use and effectiveness in keeping your pool free from debris and dirt. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, enabling the robot to navigate the pool effortlessly. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this vacuum is versatile and can adapt to different pool surfaces. Its advanced cleaning technology ensures thorough coverage, leaving your pool spotless and ready for a refreshing.
Number 2. The Winnie Pool Cleaner. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, model WY1102BG, is a cutting-edge solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. Crafted from durable plastic in an elegant black-green color scheme, this pool cleaning device is both functional and visually appealing. Powered by an AC source, the Winnie Pool Cleaner utilizes advanced technology to efficiently clean pools of various sizes and shapes. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords, providing a seamless cleaning experience. Equipped with intelligent navigation systems, this robotic pool cleaner navigates obstacles with ease, ensuring thorough cleaning coverage each time it operates. The user-friendly interface allows for hassle-free operation, making pool maintenance a breeze for users of all.
Number 1. Aiper's 2024 new Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner in gray presents an innovative solution for pool maintenance. The product, with dimensions of 15.3 L into 8.7 W into 17.5 H, is a testament to Aiper's commitment to quality and efficiency. The cordless design enhances convenience, allowing users to clean their pools without the hassle of cables. The gray color of the product adds a sleek touch to its aesthetics, blending well with various pool designs. Aiper's Scuba S1 integrates advanced technology to deliver effective cleaning performance. The AC power source ensures reliable operation, and the compact design enables easy maneuverability in the pool. Overall, the 2024 new AI Scuba S1 cordless robotic pool cleaner is a commendable addition to any pool owner's maintenance toolkit. Its combination of functionality, design, and performance makes it a strong contender in the market, offering a hassle-free solution for keeping pools clean and inviting.